Yes, good evening, student. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is the fertilization. As you know, the fertilization is the fusion of male and female gametes basically. Okay, so in the plant, the male gametes, they are the pollen grains. Pollen grains are produced by the anther. The stamens, they are the male part. This is the stamen is shown here. Stamen is a male part of the plant and it produces a pollen grain. Pollen grains, they are the powdery mass basically. They are present inside the microsporangia. They are the sac-like structures inside the anther. So they are produced or they are stored over there, and when they are haploid in nature, and they are produced by the formed by the meiosis cell division, in which the haploid cells are produced. So pollen grains basically they are haploid cells, and they when the anther basically burst out, then it produces a pollen grain, yellowish powdery mass, and they liberated into the air. So from here, with the help of the insects, we know that they go to the stigma. So the pollen grain is like a rounded outline is shown here. Sometimes they are spiny, sometimes they are hooky, sometimes they are smooth, and sometimes they are sticky. They stick with the insects and they move from the one to another. The outer wall of the is outer wall of the pollen grain is thick, that is the exine outer wall. Then internal wall is thin basically, and it is called the intine. So there are the it's a double layer, exine and intine is there. Outer wall is thick and exine is formed of most resistance biochemical, that is the sporopollenin, is a water resistance. Okay, chemical resistance basically substance, that is the sporopollenin. The surface of the exine may be smooth. The exine can be smooth, already told you. Sometimes it is reticulate, spiny, watery, it can be sticky, it can be. It is absent in the some area, here it is absent. Okay, so this is called germ pore. These are the basically germ pore. Okay, so this is the germ pore where the exine is basically absent. Okay, so the inner here from the germ pores, they help the pollen grains basically germinate from here. Basically it germinate from the germ pores. So outer is the intine, the internal is intine, is a thin layer. So pollen grain have two layers. It is a double layered. First is the exine, is the outermost thick and chemical resistance layer, है ना. Okay, and second one is the intine. Intine is the thin and internal layer of pollen grain. Understand? So it is the internal layer of the pollen grain. Then basically they come out from this microsporangia, and then the insects come here and sit, and they stick with the body of the insect and transferred with the help of wind, water, and the insects, they pass from the anther to stigma and they fuse. Then they start germinating. Okay, they start basically germinating and fused with the ovules inside the ovary. Okay, so when the fusion take place, then it is when the fusion of both take place, then fertilization take place. Okay, After the fertilization, zygote formation, and the so many changes occur in the flower.